Hello everyone, so on the previous video you've learned how you can set up MasterTool to communicate in the simulation mode using the OPC-DA protocol. So now we'll be complementing this by creating a project on our IxDeveloper, which is our HMI designer for the X2 series, to communicate with this project, both in the simulation mode, so you don't need to have any physical hardware. So the first step here is to create a new project on the IxDeveloper. Let's select a normal X2 base 7 HMI, so next. So we need to set up the OPC-DA client on the IxDeveloper, so let's select OPC Classic Server, and here on the OPC server you should be able to see the code sys OPC-DA server, which is the OPC-DA server that is currently running on your computer and is holding the values of your variables on MasterTool. So click next, and I don't need to save this project since it's a demo, so let's finish. Here we have the project already created. Let's go to the tags menu here on the bottom, and let's import our tags from our OPC-DA server. So here on the down arrow next to the add button, let's click this arrow and add tags from the OPC server, which is our simulator. Here it already found the PLC 01, which is the simulator, expand the application, or GVL integrated IO, and here it is our I00 digital input. So select this variable and click OK. It will import this tag to our IxDeveloper. Okay, so now we have this tag. We can use it normally in our project. Let's rename it to I00_PLC, for example. So now let's create a simple visualization for this tag, just to confirm that they are both communicating. Okay, so here on the screen 1, I'm gonna click on this ellipse here on the objects menu. I'm gonna draw this ellipse on my project, and let's add a simple fill dynamic to this ellipse, so it will change its color based on the value of our digital input. So I'm gonna select this ellipse here, open my property grid here on the right, and here on the fill property, I'm gonna click on this gear. Let's select our tag I00PLC and click OK, and let's add two states for this property. So one will be the color with the value 0, and one will be the color with the value 1. So the color with the value 0 we can select like green, and the color for state 1, let's select red. Confirm this change, and now to simulate this we need to go to the project and click on run. So it will open the simulator and it will communicate with the simulator from the PLC for 30 minutes. So we have 30 minutes to test our application, and you can see that's already had. So let's see the state of our digital input on MasterTool. So I'll divide the screen between MasterTool and the simulator. So to change the state of my digital input here on the MasterTool simulator, I will open the IO Simulator tab, and you can see here that my I00 is already active. So I'm changing the value just by clicking on the square. Okay, so now it's 0, the color is green, and if I pass it to the true state, the color will change to red. So with this example, you'll learn how you can integrate MasterTool and IxDeveloper using the OPC-DA communication protocol.